How to use OpenAI Whisper on Windows PC. OpenAI Whisper is a speech recognition model that can turn your voice into text. It requires Python 3.7 plus, PyTorch, and FPEG to run on Windows. Here are the steps to install and use it. Install Python and PyTorch if you don't have them already. Install FPEG using Chocolatey. A package manager for Windows. To do this, open PowerShell as an administrator and run the following commands: set execution policy bypass scope process force, system.net.servicepointmanager security protocol equals system.net.servicepointmanager security protocol board 3072, eeks, new object system.net.web client, .download string, https://chocolatey.org/install.ps1. Choco install FPEG, install Whisper using pip, a package manager for Python. To do this, open a command line and run the following command: pip install git plus https://github.com/openai/whisper.git, run Whisper on an audio file using the following command: Whisper transcribe input path /to/audio/file output path /to/text/file. Optionally, you can specify the language of the audio file using the -language flag, or enable hardware acceleration if you have an NVIDIA GPU using the -CUDA flag.